Hey guys, today I'm going to make a Angus beef chuck brisket short rib burger and put it on a pretzel bun. So let's get toasting. I found these pre-made burger patties at the grocery outlet. It says they're made from chuck, brisket, and short ribs. I think these were $6.99 for 4. I've been eating these all week, so they're pretty good. So basically I'm just going to cook these in this 10-inch cast iron skillet in my toaster oven. So I'm going to season the patty with a little bit of kosher salt and a little bit of Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. You watch my channel, you already know that. And I found these pretzel buns at the grocery outlet as well. They're called Pretzel burger buns. You have to cut them in half. I don't really think that they taste that much like a pretzel myself, but they're good buns. I mean, they're nice and solid and they taste good. So we'll just toast the bun along with the burger and I'll get that in my toaster oven. I set my oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and when the bun looks toasted, I'll pull that out and flip the burger. It's been 4 or 5 minutes. That bun looks toasted. I'm going to pull that out. Bun looks good. I'll get it out of there and I'll give the burger a flip here. That cast iron holds the heat, so it kind of still keeps cooking. And I'm going to put a little bit of Colby Jack cheese on the top there and get it back into the oven. This has been in there for 3 or 4 more minutes, so probably about 10 minutes total. That looks good. I'm going to get it out of there. Alright, let's put this together. I put some ketchup and mustard on the bottom half. I put some Thousand Island dressing on the top. I have a nice lettuce leaf from my garden there. We'll put that on the bottom. And we'll put the burger right on top of that. And I've got some nice homegrown tomatoes, so I'm going to put like 3 slices of that. I like fresh tomato. That'll make it nice and juicy. And a nice big red onion slice on top of that. And we'll get the top on there. Whoa, my tomatoes are going to fall off. Alrighty. There we go. Let's see if I can eat this without it falling apart here. That's good. Annie says, where's the beef? You want some, Annie? You want to try that? Better than the vegetables last time, huh? These burger patties have good flavor. And one thing I like about these buns is they hold up well. I put a lot of tomato on there and it didn't fall apart. It didn't get all soggy and fall apart. So I do like these buns too. So anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.